In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize CSS targeting arrows effectively, whether you're looking to enhance your website's design or to simply make those directional elements stand out. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring that your arrows not only meet your aesthetic needs, but also improve the user experience on your site. Let's begin by accessing your website's style sheet, which is typically where all CSS customizations are made. If you're unfamiliar with how to locate this, you'll find it in the admin section of your website editor or through your web host file manager. Once there, it's a good practice to make a backup of your CSS file. This way, if anything goes awry, you can easily revert to your previous design without any hassle. Open your CSS file in a code editor where you can easily edit text files. If you're working on a live site, I recommend using a text editor that supports syntax highlighting to help you catch any errors along the way. Now on to targeting the arrows. In your CSS, you'll want to locate the selectors that are specifically tied to the elements you wish to change. This could be referred to as a class or an ID depending on your site's HTML structure. For instance, if your arrows are a part of a navigation slider, they might have IDs like Point Arrow Next or Point Arrow Prev. Use your browser's developer tools such as the Inspect Element feature to pinpoint these classes or IDs if they're not immediately obvious. Once you have the selectors, it's time to apply your custom styles. Say you want your arrows to be a different color, bigger, or maybe change upon hovering. You can style them by adding properties to your selectors. For size adjustments, you might use properties like font size or width and height, depending on whether your arrows are text-based or image-based. For color changes, be sure to use the color property for text arrows or the background color property for container arrows. To ensure responsiveness across all devices, consider using relative units like im or percentages instead of fixed units like pixels. This approach will make sure your arrows look great, whether viewed from a desktop or a mobile device. After adding your styles, save your CSS file. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, remember to hit the Update or Save button to apply your changes across the site. Finally, it's crucial to test your website to see the customizations live before considering the job done. Open your browser and refresh the page where the arrows are located, checking on both desktop and mobile versions. This testing ensures everything appears just as you intended, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to customizing CSS targeting arrows. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting a visually appealing experience that directs users through your site beautifully. Happy styling, and thanks for watching.